What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get 4 channels of audio with the Canon C70. I'm actually shooting with the Canon C70 as well, but I have another one here and I'm going to show you how to get 4 channels. Yes, everybody knows if you have the Canon C70 you could drop it down in the timeline and it's going to give you 4 channels. One thing a lot of people don't know is that you could use your input 1, input 2, and then your mic as 2 microphones as well, as long as you have a microphone that has like the wireless Go 2 like I have. It'll record right and left automatically just with the mic input, and then you could also do input 1 and input 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm also going to throw it in the timeline just to show you how it would look in the timeline as well. This does have 4 channels. Most people use it as maybe 1 channel as a scratch, or they use 3 and 4 as your safety channels. That's what it's called, your safety channels, so you never clip. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use them as all 4 different channels with 4 different microphones, just in case you're shooting something and 4 people that you're shooting have 4 different microphones on. And in my case this is very helpful because I shoot a fishing show. And a lot of times I have 3 people where I need their audio. I never had 4, but I do need 3 people that I need to have their audio. And what I've been doing before I had the C70s is I would just, the 3rd microphone, I would just hit record on a recorder. I would put a wireless Go on there and let it go. And then later I would have to spend about 3 hours timing it up with all the footage. But with this, I can get up to 4 different audio tracks and it's perfect. Throw it in the timeline, everything's matched up, it's good to go. So with all that out the way, I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Okay, so as you see, I have the C70 here. I have the wireless Go 2, which is gonna give us 2 channels. And then I also have these right here, which are mini XLR to 3.5mm headphone jack. I also have this, which, you know, it comes with the wireless Roadie. So I'm gonna open these up now. Also, I will link these in the description if you wanna get them, because most people would just buy adapters for their XLRs they already have. But these are really nice, they're pretty cheap. I don't remember the price, but they're mini XLR to 3.5mm already ready to go. Really handy. So I got 4 of them because I knew I would have this camera. So I'm gonna open up the other one. I knew I would have a couple of these cameras. So that's why I bought 4. So I have 2 minis right here, as you can see, and then I have this. So let's jump into the camera and I will show you how it works. So as you see on the side here, it has input 1, which we're gonna be using. It has input 2, which I'm gonna use, but I'm not gonna use it with lapel. And then it also has a mic jack. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be input 1, input 2, which we have to set it up in camera, which I will show you how to do that. And then we have the mic. So the mic, I'm going to go ahead and plug in. Then I'm going to plug in the wireless Go 2, which will give us 2 channels right off the bat. Okay, so that's in there. I'm gonna have that hanging. Well, I'll put it up here for now. Move that out the way. And then I'm gonna plug in the mini XLR cable to the top one. Clicks in. And then I'm gonna plug that into this other lapel right here that I have, which it has to go on this one. And then it also has the threads where you could actually screw it down as well. So that's cool, so it cannot come out, which is nice. So that's 3 channels. And then the other one right here is gonna go on the channel 2, as you see here. And I know a lot of you that are watching this probably will never use 4 channels, but man, a lot of people that do professional work and have a lot of people on set that need audio for TV shows, this comes in handy. And I'm actually gonna do this for that channel. Okay, so it is plugged in, ready to go. Okay, so let me actually hook this up to a mic. Okay, so now I have a mic. I'm gonna plug into this. So after you got everything, then I'm also gonna turn these on, obviously. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now we can jump into our screen, which I will zoom up for this so y'all can get good detail on what's going on. So now we're gonna go to the audio menu. We're gonna go to audio input select. Okay, so as you see, I have all of my channels plugged in, all 4. The first channels are the mic terminal 1 and 2, which is this red cable I plugged into the mic terminal down there. And then my channel 3 and 4 is the input terminals, which I plugged in right here, as you guys seen me. 1 and 2 are actually 3 and 4, and all of them work. Check this out. So this, I know that's bad for a microphone, that's why I'm barely doing it. So that's 2 channels, 3 channels, and then 4 channels, as you see there. So it's kind of cool, they all work. It's awesome. Another thing to note before I close out this video is you go back and then you can adjust, make sure these are separate, but you can adjust the channel 3 and channel 4 volume as I'm doing right here. You can just click on that and you can adjust the channel volume, which is pretty cool, to make sure you get it where you need it, you know, and make sure these are in manual. So you can put it in auto and then it will adjust it for you, but I'll leave it in manual to make sure it don't go up and down. But yeah, and now when you go here, you click your audio status, you will have all of your statuses. For some reason channel 3 is being a little weird, but it's it works. It's just it's real low. I think my cable is messed up, but as you see, all 4 of them are working. I guess I could hit record and show you guys how they work in Premiere, and show you whenever you drop it down in the project, you will have 4 audio tracks with 1 video track, so it's pretty cool. So I have to put a memory card in here. I don't have a memory card in this one to be able to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so I hit record, and then I'm gonna do a couple taps on this one so you guys will be able to see it and hear it on the audio track. Three and 4 you cannot see, but it is picking up. You only can see it if you click your audio status right here. Channel 1 is being really weird. I think this cable is messed up, but it's being really weird. Okay, there we go. And then I will stop the recording, and then we will jump into the computer and I will show you how it works from there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this memory card out of this camera, throw it in Premiere, and show you guys that there's 4 channels of different audio. I'm gonna get this in the computer, drag it into Premiere, and show you guys exactly how it works. Okay, so now that I'm in Premiere, I'm just gonna drop it straight out of the memory card once I get this open, and it's just so I don't have to dump the footage. This is a project that really don't matter. And then we're gonna drop it in now, as you see. And then as you see, there is 4 channels. It is rendering out those channels now. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, so this is channel 1. I'm gonna solo it. You hear my finger tapping it, which I know is not good for the microphone. I was barely doing it. So that's channel 1. This is channel 2. I'm gonna solo it. Okay, and this is the one that really wasn't working, but it worked when I unplugged. So as you see, the channel does work. So this is all 4 channels, and here's channel 4. So 4 channels. All good, clean audio, as you see here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is how you do it. I think it's pretty awesome that these cameras have 4 channels. And with that, I'll see you later. Okay, so I really hope this video helped you. I know whenever I got this camera, I was looking for a lot of different information, and it seems like you gotta just go through so many videos to get the information you need. There's not just one specific video showing you how to do one thing. You have to watch a 15-minute long video and it might show you the thing that you need and the title never matches up with it. So that's why I made the title as good as I could so you guys could find it if you were hoping and wondering if this could do 4 different microphones on one camera. It can, as you've seen. It's pretty awesome. So with that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video.